Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to either enable or disable the Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. So Internet Explorer mode enables user to access modern and legacy websites within a single browser. The Chromium engine built into the browser uses the same technology that underlies Google Chrome, making it well suited for modern web applications. So in that case, we're going to have to go ahead, either turn on or turn off Internet Explorer for IE mode in Microsoft Edge web browser. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Edge browser. And then dito lang sa top right corner. And then i-click mo lang yung three dot icon. And then next step, you need to select yung settings. And then dito sa settings, scroll down at select mo lang dito yung default browser. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa default browser. And then next, makikita mo kaagad dito yung Internet Explorer compatibility. Okay? So, allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode or IE mode. Kung paano ba natin ito enable or disable, dito lang sa right side, i-click mo lang tong arrow na to, and then may tatlong options dito. So, pwedeng default, and then pwedeng allow, or pwedeng don't allow or disable siya. Alright? Once nakapag-select ka na dyan, and then kailangan mo lang siyang click tong restart. Okay? So, for the setting, change to take effect, restart your browser. So, dito naman sa baba, makita mo dito yung Internet Explorer mode page. So, pwede kang mag-add dito ng any web page, website link dito. So, i-click mo lang siya. And then, enter mo lang dito yung URL website link. And then, click mo lang tong add. Okay, so once nakapag-select ka na, and then click mo lang tong restart. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin enable or disable Internet Explorer mode from the Microsoft Edge web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.